Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making Pizza Indiana. So for this we need baby corn. While our baby corn is getting tossed up, take pizza base, add 1 teaspoon of oil, spread on the lower side of pizza base. Now turn our pizza base and spread pizza sauce. Add pinch of salt on baby corn, tossing it up till it changes color. Add sweet corn on pizza base. Add onion ring. Add capsicum. We are not using. Now put tossed baby corn. We have to toast baby corn for 1 to 2 minutes. Add pinch of salt, pinch of oregano, and cover it with grated processed cheese. Now bake it for 10 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. And after 10 minutes, your delicious Pizza Indiana is ready. Thank you.